Hello, so you're welcome back. So in this class, I'm going to be showing you how you can use your Gemini to create a real life image. It's like an image that is with somebody you know, for example, a celebrity, or maybe making a real life mimic of real human being. Most cases, the prompt you give to AI, the things they create are not real humans. So I'll just go over to my Gemini. Here's my Gemini. All right, so I'm going to click on create image. All right, so once you click on create image, it's going to load up. So what I'm going to do right here is, now it says describe your image. All right, so I'm just going to come here and say create an image of the Nigerian president giving speech on election day. All right, so pay attention to this prompt that I gave to Gemini. Now I didn't specify. I said the Nigerian president. So I'm going to check. I'm going to look whether it can actually pinpoint the face of the Nigerian president. Let's go with this. So I'm going to hit on submit. So usually take Gemini a few seconds to create your image. All right, so it's currently creating our image. You're just going to wait for it to create it. All right, so okay, the image has showed up. Now let's zoom this image to see. Okay, he was able to picture the Nigerian president. All right, so as you can see, this is the real image. Okay, if you know this one very well, this is the real image of the president of Nigeria, as you can see. So I've tried a few of other, and you can see they are holding on. This is him, election day address. All right, now you can see they are holding the Nigerian flag, the voting unit. You can see everything is very, look at what they wrote on the wall. Now we didn't tell him to create any of these things. All right, we only focus on the Nigerian president giving speech on election day. But you can see election day, every vote counts. Nigerian decide. All right, all these things they put out here now. I think this is the Igbo, whatever. So yeah, because I'll try some other platform or that AI app. Sometimes they're unable to. They will get this coat of arm and the environment right, okay, but they cannot get the face of the president right. It will just be a random face because we need, until we specify that create a current Nigerian president image. So they will focus on the current one. But if you say create a Nigerian president, they will just create any face. Create all the environment, okay, will be okay. You can see these are our TV stations. This Silverbird, and then I think we have channels TV here. NTA is not even there, which is Nigerian Broadcasting Television. So all right, so as you can see, so Gemini, I think I would say that is one of the best app that you can use in creating AI images, right? So it gives you more than what you even prompted it to do. All right, so let me hear your thoughts. If you find this video very helpful, make sure you hit on the subscription button and turn on the notification bell. So I will see you in my next class. In the next class, we're going to look at other AI apps, and give you the same prompt, exactly the same prompt that I gave to Gemini. Let's see what it's going to produce. Most of them give different results entirely. Why? Because they are different. Most of this AI can't give you something like this. You must specify that the current Nigerian president before they can get this face. But with Gemini, I just said the Nigerian president. I was able to get the current president because I didn't specify the particular president that is supposed to use. Hence, we have several different kind of president who have ruled this country. But this is the current one, and we didn't make it specific on the, the prompt. So prompt is very important, but I think Gemini AI is doing a good job. You can click on save to save this to your phone. All right, so I'll see you in my next class.